guys, this is the reason that I am not able to record videos when I want to record videos. I just got the tire lettering put on the Genesis. A couple days ago, because I got a warm enough day. It needs to be 65 degrees or warmer. So I finally got that on the Genesis, and as you can see, 2 days later, it's snowing. Yeah, that's South Carolina for you. So we're out here at the reunion spot. I don't know if y'all, this spot looks familiar to y'all. We're over here in Mexico, obviously. But the snow is coming down pretty hard right now. It's supposed to get worse over the next couple hours. Try to see if I can get some cool video of the car in the snow. Car looks pretty sick with the lettering and the snow. As you can see, this it's building up on my spoiler and on the kit and everything. But wow. Yeah, if you didn't see my post on my Instagram, I got the tire lettering from Tredwear finally installed, and it looks awesome. So we got Sean Mode 2 for my personal account, and obviously that Yellow 3.8. So if y'all don't follow me on either of those, go do that right now, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button as well. But the tire lettering turned out amazing. I saw this on the Genesis from Augusta, where I'm from, and I've wanted it on my Genesis ever since then. And wow, did Tredwear kill it with this one. If y'all need any sort of tire graphics, tire lettering, anything for your car like that, Tredwear is the place to go. They have amazing products and great customer service. Snowfall, hit the hood, and then just melt. Such a cool thing. I mean, I'm from South Carolina, so we don't really get snow all that often. So this is pretty unique for us. Oh man, I didn't get it in time. Dang, he's leaving. Buddy pulls up, does 2 donuts, and then slams on it. I don't know what's going on with that. I guess he probably just got scared because I hopped out the car to camera. But shit, that was pretty sick. Dang. See, that's why I came here, because I was hoping more people would be out here swinging they things. Ain't no sense in me doing it alone, you feel me? So, then again, there are cameras here in Mexico. That's one spot I hate in Mexico with cameras, but man, what can you do? All right, well, I was tired of people pulling up and then leaving from trying to do donuts over in the other Mexico location. So now we're over here, and what is insane about this spot is I'm sitting right here, and obviously you can see the Jenny and whatnot. That's a lake. Right there is all water. You cannot even tell. I mean, there is no sign whatsoever that there is water down there. Right past that volleyball court right there, it's the lake. I mean, you kind of see over there, but no, it just looks like it just continues going, which is crazy. And you can see how much is fallen. Which I'm sure a lot of New York and northern people probably are like, man, this is nothing. But for South Carolina, this is definitely something. It's pretty wild. hope y'all like those clips of the exhaust of the car. It's actually sounding pretty awesome right now. I don't know whether it's just because of the cold or whether something happened, but the car is sounding pretty awesome right now. Whoa, shit. Y'all definitely didn't just see that. Well, on that note, I guess that's gonna be it for this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe as well. And I also want to say thank you for all the support on my last video and on my Instagram as well. It's really been appreciated. And if you have any suggestions for future videos, leave those in the comments below. But I'll catch you next time.